Silvia, the owner of Salsa with Silvia Dance Studios. How many of you are here for the first time? Ever? Okay. And the rest of you are die-hard fans and everyday students, right? So, because it's our anniversary, how many years are we celebrating? 7. Okay. I'll tell you just a few things. So we're celebrating 7 years of the opening of this location. So this is our first commercial location. Salsa with Silvia technically was invented in 2008 when I started teaching by myself in Chicago, and then I came here 2010, and then in 2011 we opened the very first location of Salsa with Silvia, which is where? In the basement of my house across the street. That's right. Yes, it's still there. Some of you may be taking private lessons there. So we used to have classes with 26 people in the basement of my house. I don't have, that house is not a big house. How many of you have taken lessons in the basement? All right, we have some veterans here. Yeah. Give yourself a round of applause. So, as usual, for every anniversary I want to say thank you. This time, I want to take a minute to give myself credit. Because I never do that. And when I look at all of you guys, you know, today I thought, you know what? I deserve some credit. But it's also because we've made it through the years, we've made it through the pandemic, we turned Salsa with Silvia into a school for kids so that we can survive. And you guys were there for our virtual classes, that's how we made it. I hear stories about how we saved people from depression, how we saved lives. In fact, one of you here has told me that we saved lives. So it means so much. This is why I keep fighting for the studio, for this community, and I'm very, very grateful. I'm sorry about all the talking.